Hello, Dalai Lama Ju. Tapaiलाई namaste. Hello. Om Mane Padme. You calling Nepali people nonsense, but you are becoming nonsense. You talking nonsense. Whole people all over the world is treat you as a god. You are greatest person in the world. So we all respect you, and we all always think you are the greatest person in the world. Not only Nepali people, not only Tibetan people, all over the around, especially from American celebrity, British celebrity, European celebrity, we all respected you. The day you spoke on, Buddha was born in India, not in Nepal. And you calling Nepali people are nonsense. But you becoming nonsense. You gone mental. That's not acceptable. So we all human people are upset with you. What's gone with you? Are you gone mental? Or you gone something wrong in your brain? So we are not happy for you. All over the world is upsetting what you said. So be careful before you speak up what you need to tell the truth in the world. So you are completely wrong, and you saying the wrong thing, and you getting mental. Lots of Nepali people, lots of all over the people donated you $1 million, million rupees, and your picture is everybody's house, in everybody's temple, inside the temple, inside the room, inside the heart, but you all spoiled it in India. What you said is very wrong. Very, very wrong. Be careful next time what you speak or what you not to speak. Thank you.